guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to make your own cucumber eye mask. This one right here. So if you want to learn how to make your own cucumber eye mask, stay with me.
First, we need to cut a fresh cucumber in half. Get your grater and begin to grate some of the cucumber until we make the equal of 5 teaspoons of mashed cucumber. The next step, we need to get a paper towel and fold this in half and start adding the mashed cucumber at the bottom in the same way I'm doing it. And once you're done, you need to fold it again to form an eye mask. To store the cucumber eye mask, we need a Ziploc bag. Add the cucumber juice to make sure the eye mask keeps the vitamin C during the time we store and use it. Before applying this, squeeze a little bit of the eye mask to make it less drippy and make sure you have clean skin and hands. Cucumbers have many benefits when it's used around the eye area thanks to the vitamin C contained in it. Cucumbers will minimize dark circles around the eyes by lightening up the skin. It has a cooling effect, so this is great to apply every time you get fatigue or puffy eyes. Also, cucumbers will moisturize the skin under the eyes, which will be perfect to treat fine lines and wrinkles in this specific area.
And this is all you have to do. Every time you're done with the cucumber eye mask, put it in the Ziploc bag again and stuck it in the refrigerator. That's all you have to do. So this is all I have for today. If you like it, don't forget to share with your friends. If you want to be part of this organic family, you only need to subscribe. And I'll see you on Friday. Pura Vida!